Ready Hot RH-F570-CH single lever faucet. The breezy from the top installation that the Ready Hot RH-F570-CH boasts is what's made this so popular among users today, but it has much more besides that. A great performer in the kids' safety stakes, this faucet's lever has a two-step mechanism that requires the user to press the lever down first and then rotate it to release hot water. This is a foolproof operation that works all the time while preventing unsuspecting kids out of danger. The RH-F570-CH can actually replace your regular tap thanks to its high neck spout that offers enough clearance for your big pots and pans and its dual lever system. Note that this feature of faucet does not come with a tank. This means that you can fit it with any compatible model that best meets your hot water needs in terms of capacity and performance. On the same subject, this is one of the most affordable instant hot water taps that we can recommend.